Hi, everybody, and welcome to week 7 of English 102. So this week, you're going to work on research methods and think about ethics in research. So specifically, you're going to learn some different rhetorical and genre moves for your own methods section of your paper. You're going to demonstrate the importance of replicable methods by describing your methods section, and you're going to reflect on the role of ethics in research. So you're going to need to read the IMRD assignment sheet and Driscoll's 2011 chapter, which I will take you to. So this is a really helpful chapter. It's very detailed and describes, why research methods need to be replicable. It gives different examples of different types of primary research. She talks about the different ways to narrow your topic, how to develop research questions. So this is really key. So you're going to read that, and then you're going to watch this video about research ethics, and it's very informative. Let's see. Okay, it's paused. So it's very informative, but it might be a little bit triggering because it is about medical research on people in a concentration camp. So and also research that withheld medicine from African Americans in the 1970s. So just be aware of that whenever you view it. And then instead of a writing exercise, you're going to do a voice thread exercise. So you're going to need to read through the instructions here. So briefly, the purpose is for you to share your methods section so that I can give you approval for your data collection. So you're going to read that Driscoll piece, and then you're going to record a voice thread that answers the questions below. So what's the purpose of describing your methods? Be sure to reference Driscoll. And then what are the specific ways that you are going to collect your data? Are you using surveys, interviews, observation? Who are your participants, and are they over 18? How will you confirm that? How will you get in touch with them? Be specific. Are you going to text them? Are you going to email them? Post it on your Facebook? Multiple tools. And then what specific tool are you going to use? Are you going to use Google Forms for a survey, Zoom? Try to not just guess, actually explore these tools and decide what you'll use. And then what types of questions will you ask? And if relevant, you can also share a comment and a link to your draft of the survey or interview questions. So I'm going to show you now this voice thread thing. So you click on voice thread, and then you'll be taken to this page. And you can go ahead and create a new voice thread, and you can either select one or you create a new one, and you click add media, and then you can record it and then upload it from your computer. But my recommendation is that you just do it right here. So you could do a webcam video or an audio recording. I recommend webcam just because it's just so nice to actually see faces in an asynchronous online course. And so that's probably your best bet. But if you prefer, you could just do audio. So you'll post that there. And then going back to week 7, you're going to also, and I will link to this in week 7, I just forgot to do it, but go over to projects, and you're going to review the instructions for the research report. So that's assignment 3, your next major assignment. So the research report follows a particular structure. It's called the IMRD structure, meaning that you give your introduction, which includes a literature review, your methods, your results, and your discussion. And you need to have multiple things in your project. So your introduction and literature review needs to give the exigency to which your project responds, and you need to state how your research project emerges from that literature and state your research questions. You need to state your methods, describe your methods. You need to present your findings, and then discuss how the findings relate to the overall academic conversation. So, and you'll have a reflective letter, and this, I actually have given you an example. This is an outline. So this is the structure that you're following. You're going to use headings like introduction, literature, methods, results, discussion. And then these are kind of rhetorical moves that you can use. So you would say things like, under the literature review, recent research has attended to the issue of global warming and increased wildfires, for example, according to Smith, blah, blah, blah. So this gives you a really nice structure here. So that's what you're working on for week 7. Start to kind of get a grasp of that IMRD research report and do your methods section and turn in your voice thread using the instructions here on eCampus. Questions, concerns, just let me know. Thanks.